This is one of my most favorite spots to come. I'll bring people to this place 9 months out of the year. I'll come here and catch fish. Some days you'll catch 100, some days you'll catch 25.
Captain Tom Pryor of Best of the West Guide Service is taking us fishing today and giving us a few secrets about catching our supper.
All water runs in a straight line, remember that. Just because you see a curve in a river, that don't mean the river runs at a curve. So as the water is coming down, it's coming to this wall, it's turning, it's going to that wall, and it's turning and going down lake. So all the bait comes up here and it swirls in this wall.
And by fishing here, it creates a natural spot for all these fish to come and get it.
Two things. Watch the river or the lake where the bins are, and then let the fish tell you what they want. Whether they want to have it fall slow, which they want it fast, the fish will tell you exactly what they want if you listen to them.
Instead, maybe we should call Captain Tom the fish whisperer.
Just like you're going to swing a baseball bat and make your cast. Perfect. Grab that net, that's a big one.
Because today, the fish are biting.
This is a 4-pound fish, at least 4 pounds. That's a 3.5, 4-pound striper. That'd lay out 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of meat when you fillet him out. You'll have a fillet from here, clear to his tail, 1.5 inches thick. That's a nice fish. It's a real nice fish.
You can catch as many stripers as you want, but there are different limits each year to large and smallmouth bass, and some are bigger than others.
The fish was that big around and that long.
And that's no fishtail. The record striper here at Lake Powell is a whopping 48 pounds. You can fish here year-round, and your best is in March, April, and May. And the fall is boiling season.
You can go and fish it anywhere, the shore, on a boat, the beach, the marinas.
At the end of the day, it's about a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction.
If you just go to the store and buy a piece of meat, you do that every day. But if you go and catch a fish and then you cook it up and you eat it, you went through the whole process yourself.